wetu wa heshima kwenye uwanja ndege wa kimataifa wa Jomo Kenyatta jijini Nairobi. Tumekamilisha safari yetu tukitumai kwamba nyote mmefurahia safari hii na kwa mtatupatia fursa nyingine ya kusafiri na tena hivi karibuni. Kwa usalama wenu na waomba tulimitini hadi ndege hii itakaposimama kabisa, ishara ya mikanda kuzimwa na hatimaye mlango wa mbele kufunguliwa. Naomba mtulimitini mhudumu wa ndege anapofungua mambo ya kuhifadhia mizigo mtando kwa vikosi. Kwa niaba ya shirika la ndege la Jambo Jet, rubani wetu mkuu leo na sisi wana anga wenzake, tunawashukuru sana kwa kuchagua kusafiri nasi na tunawatakia makazi mema hapa Nairobi au kwenye safari zenu za kuendelea. Kwaherini na muwe na asubuhi njema. Welcome to Nairobi, ladies and gentlemen. We have landed at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. For your comfort and especially for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Remember to look through the seat pocket in front of you for any small personal items you may place there during this flight. To minimize contact with touch point areas, cabin crew will open the overhead bins. This vacation will be in batches, starting with the rows closest to the front door. Please do remain seated as cabin crew open the overhead bins and wait for your turn to disembark. Smoking is still not permitted until you reach designated smoking areas within the airport terminal. We hope that you've enjoyed your flight with us and we look forward to being of service to you in the near future. Ground service personnel meeting the aircraft will be pleased to offer further assistance. On behalf of Jumbo Jet, our captain today, Paul Kahara, and the entire team on board, wish you all a pleasant stay here in Nairobi and thank you for your choice to fly Jumbo Jet. Have a very lovely morning ahead. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nairobi. A polite request, remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete switched off. Engines fully powered down, seatbelt signs switched off, and the front door has been opened. We'll be disembarking the aircraft in a very orderly manner, starting with guests sitting at the front. This shall be row 1, 2, and 3 once we are given the go-ahead to disembark by ground services. The rest of the passengers do remain seated until your row is called out. As the cabin crew open the overhead lockers for you, do not stand in the aisle area or leave any bags on the outfloor level or any emergency exits. As you're seated, do not attempt to reach for hand luggage to avoid incidents of bags falling on other passengers. Thank you.